listen and read. The game.
Hi, Marie. Who's this?
It's my baby cousin.
Wow, she's got big blue eyes.
This is my mum and dad. This is my granny, my granddad, my brother, and my sister. Hello. This is my cousin, Andy.
Hello.
Hey, come and help. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh no, Einstein, stop! Later.
Wow.
Oh dear, where's the ball?
I don't know.
Look, he's got the ball.
Who's that?
I don't know. He's got brown hair.
Marie, I've got the ball!
Oh, it's my uncle. Look at Einstein. He's got 3 balls.
Yes, he's got a big mouth.
Hooray! Now we can play.